Our investigation has concluded that Officers Lake and Salamoni attempted to make a lawful arrest of Alton Sterling based upon probable cause. During that encounter, Mr. Sterling continued to resist the officers' efforts to arrest him. The officers used verbal commands of varying degrees. Throughout the encounter, the officers attempted several non-lethal techniques to gain compliance and control of Mr. Sterling's hands. Toxicology reports showed the presence of several scheduled and illegal drugs in Mr. Sterling's system at the time of the incident. Considering this, it is reasonable that Mr. Sterling was under the influence, and that contributed to his non-compliance. The officers concerned that he was armed and dangerous was in fact subsequently verified and correct. After a thorough and exhaustive review of the evidence, the facts that can be established beyond a reasonable doubt, the law and jurisprudence of the state of Louisiana, and the obligations of prosecutors under the Code of Professional Conduct, the Louisiana Department of Justice cannot proceed with a prosecution of either Officer Lake or Officer Salamoni. I know the Sterling family is hurting. I know that they may not agree with this decision. I'm ever mindful that a mother who prematurely loses a son, a child who loses a father, experiences a pain that no one should ever have to endure. I'm asking that everyone consider the family in the coming days and spend their time and energy in lifting them up rather than creating further division.